So you have the DXY open here on the left side already. As we already know from the last few videos, the DXY tracks the US dollar index basically. So as the DXY increases, the value of US dollars is increasing relative to basically the value of everything else. So the DXY is going to be a good metric to trade forex assets on. And also we've noticed the DXY tends to move in inverse with the equity markets. So as the DXY gains strength, we've noticed the equity markets, like the stock markets, the crypto markets, start to lose a bit of strength. And looking at the SPY, or at the DXY, sorry, you can see here we had been tracking how it was in a channel. It had started to close above the channel, and now we have, we got our breakout from that channel, our bull print, and we're pushing up higher, like you can see there on Sid's chart. That has played out pretty much just like we were expecting it to. Honestly, it's kind of
it's been great because we've been making these calls and they've been pretty accurate. We did, like you said in our earlier video, like if you go back and look at it, we did see a bull print. The band hadn't flipped green. Once again, it's our custom indicator. It's called the Maxi Trading Buddy. How it works is that if you get a bull signal with the green band, then you should see price climb up, or we're in a bullish trend or an uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
Once we get a bear signal with a red band, then price tends to go into a downtrend. Yeah. So you can see here the last run up has been spot on, and then we got the bear. Now we flip bull again. And like we said earlier, we were tracking this channel, and we called the bounce and the breakout, and now we've seen it actually go higher. If we're kind of at resistance here. Looking at this is the weekly chart again, and it looks like the stock is kind of overbought territory. It's very like flatline. Mm-hmm. But you can see how earlier, if it flatlines a lot, like if it just stays flat for a long time, then price it'll tend to drop. And since we're at resistance, and also the monthly close, so you can see the monthly close was pretty bullish too, and we had called this, and see you can see we had a bounce on the strength band of our indicator.
Yeah, which can basically be considered an SR flip. So we've basically tested the support, confirmed it as support, and continued to upward.
Exactly. So our strength band of our Maxi Trading Buddy indicator, it acted as support, and then you can see it also broke out of the channel on the monthly. On the monthly, there's a lot of room. Looking at the stock, and it's just like
the ground.
Right, and it's just flipped and it's curling up. So we have a lot of room, possibly to like retest, its last highs, and that's on the monthly time frame. And if you look at the quarter, the 3-month, that's really bullish. Look at this. It's a clean SR flip, like this with support here, and you can see it's curling up here with the bullish candle. So in the quarter and monthly time frame, it's very bullish. On the weekly, we could have a short term like pullback, and if it pulls back, ideally it wants to hold on top of our indicator strength band. So you can see in a bullish trend, it acts as support. So maybe it like comes back here, and then maybe it does something like that. We'll have to see whether it actually dips this low, or maybe it just like dips this low, because this is where like support is.
Top of that channel starting there would be
exactly.
Yeah.
So
that would give us a little time on the weekly to cool off the stock RSI there, get us back down from that flat lining in the oversold section, and then give us room on the shorter time frames to continue running up as well.